Sawadee Cup. This is Octo Radio. Welcome back, guys. How you guys doing today? Today we're gonna go to the waterfall close to our village. Just gonna take everybody there, just chill for a bit. Other than that, let's go, guys. All right, guys, we made it to the waterfall. We just have to walk down the stream up ahead. Other than that, let's go, guys. Show you guys around a bit. But first, I gotta hit the restroom real quick. But everything looks nice. A lot of people here on the weekend. It's Sunday today, so that would be fun. Alright, guys, just a minute, we'll be right back. Yes. No motorcycle, no fire. Oh. What is this? Oh, gathering of furrow prohibited. Oh, no picking of flowers. This is where we at. Cool, guys. The waterfall is up ahead. Oh, with my grandma and my uncle today. Beautiful, green and everything. Green and everything, guys. ยายเดินไหวหรือเปล่าเนี่ย Oh, just a moment, guys. We'll be right back. It's beautiful out here, guys. It's not too hot, not too humid. Just a perfect weather. Out in the forest, the jungle, baby. That's what's up. We're in the jungle. Oh. This reminds me of a place in Santa Barbara where I live at. It's called Red Rock. I used to go there during summertime with my friends. We just walked over there, up the creek, jump in the water, chill. It was a good time, man. This reminds me a lot of that, but this is different. It's all jungle. You can take a look. I'll show you guys. This is like all jungle, everything. Green. The trail. Gotta be careful, man. It's kind of far, but you can see the river right here. It's just up the creeks. I asked my uncle if there's a leech around here, but he said no, there shouldn't be no leech. I don't want to be doing that. That'll be no fun. Alright, guys. Let me walk up a bit. We'll be right back. Alright, folks, we're back, guys. Just made it to the water creek right now. It's pretty cool. It's not sunny today, so it's all good. Take a look, guys. It's beautiful. Lots of folks here. Not too much, but not too much people. It's all good. They got some sitting up here. But I couldn't find a waterfall at all. There's people playing in the water. It should be up ahead, but I'm definitely not going there because it's too far away. But the waters keep it cool around here, which is cool. Nice around indeed. Cool, guys. Yeah, made it over here. Other than that, we'll be right back. Now we are walking back. Walking back to the car. One of my friends said they have food and drinks, but we walk over here, but there's no drinks and food. Oh, why? We walk up here just to go see the waterfall, but there's nothing there. Just like a small slope. Oh man, can't believe it. Got lied to, but it's okay. Next time. We just need to come to eat, but not to play that much. Oh, now we're gonna go find something to eat, and that wait for the food. We'll be right back. Alright, guys, we made it to the restaurant. Had to come all the way over here because it's the only place that we found outside the village, which is pretty far away. Oh, stopped by to eat some food, my grandma said. But it looks nice, the restaurant. We got some fish pond too. Let's check it out. Fish. Huh. Fish อันนี้มีแอร์หรือเปล่าเนี่ยเรานั่งบรรยากาศเลย We choosing whether we sit down and eat somewhere find out what we can find out real quick pretty sure oh they got food for fish too for fish oh I gotta turn off the music choosing a place to sit down a bit hungry man hungry I am hungry let's see chill out trying to find a place to sit down look at this ตรงนี้เหรอเอาตรงไหนตรงนั้นก็ได้ปะโอเคครับโอ้เย็นดีอยู่เลย Alright let's sit down seems like a chill place to chill oh they got cold we got some fish food so we're gonna give some food to the fish oh, everyone want me to sit down on this thing but I'm scared it might like drop oh this is scary น่ากลัวเหมือนกันนะลงเว I just say that it's scary to my uncle alright some fish food the fish well all done oh pretty chill out here not too crazy going on order some food lobs steaks rice some soup and salad and drinks that should be good can't wait that's gonna be good man I'm so hungry haven't ate anything much today so I'm looking forward to it and that is it for the food I'll show you guys some food okay see you in a bit show you guys the food it just came so we got some red strawberry drinks we got some lab I'm trying to focus here a bit for you guys oh can't got some pork steaks rice soup got some soup and papaya salad over there keep it simple but it's pretty good I like it so far let's try the steak how it tastes pretty good and that will be right back folks let me eat food real quick guys I hope you guys liked that episode other than that thank you so much for watching don't forget to like and subscribe other than that I'll see you guys in the next episode